Fancy sports cars, high-end jewelry, or houses. Who doesn't like window shopping? In today's video, we're going to take you along and show you a really nice house in a really nice area of Funchal. So let's go. Last month, we did a video called The 5 Areas of Funchal, and we drove around and showed the 5 most desirable areas to rent in an Airbnb, to buy, or to lease in Funchal. And as promised, we're going to show you a property in one of those amazing areas. In fact, it's probably one of our favorite areas.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Track Us Down. I'm Monique.
And I'm Doug. I love Ferraris. I love Lamborghinis. Can I have one? No, but I sure like looking at them.
And on the other hand, I love jewelry and I love browsing on the Cartier website or the Chanel website, but am I buying stuff from there? No.
Whether it's expensive cars, expensive jewelry, or houses, sometimes it's just fun to window shop, to go looking for ideas, to go looking and seeing what's out there at different price points. And today, that's what we're gonna do.
Today, we're gonna show you a beautiful apartment in a beautiful area of Funchal. We're hoping to get some ideas of the value for money at that price range, and maybe even ideas that'll work in our place. And the apartment we're gonna see is located in the Casablanca area in São Martinho. It's a beautiful, walkable area, and we're excited to see what you get at this price point for a 4-bedroom apartment.
It's above our price point. Maybe it's not above yours, but this is a typical idea of what you can get for this price in a desirable area in Funchal.
If you enjoy our videos and you find value in them, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. We're trying to make our little channel grow. So we are in an apartment and we're going to take you along as we show you what a 900K apartment here in almost the center of Funchal is like. It is huge. It is a really big apartment and the location is amazing. It is in the Casablanca area. This apartment has 4 huge bedrooms, 2 terraces, one also in the back. So come along and we're gonna show you. It starts here with the social bathroom, which is always nice to have when you have guests. It has a toilet and a sink, and the finishing is really well done here. It's all, I guess, faux marble, but it's really nice. So I really like that. There's an entryway closet, which is very nice, where you have your panel. This is nice too for when you come in for shoes. So when you walk in, there's a long hallway. And when you get here, there's two ways you can go. On the left, you have the kitchen, and on the right, the living room. The kitchen is really huge. It's a big kitchen with beautiful faux marble cupboards, which are really nice, a nice countertop, and an overlook into a little courtyard at the back. It also has a laundry area off the side, and both areas have access to the back little courtyard. One thing we notice as we look at homes in Funchal, they often are not staged like we're used to seeing, especially at this price point, which is quite high. This is sort of the furniture that was left, and it's not put together the way that we would put it together. So this is the living room, dining room. It has a beautiful, large dining room space with a chandelier, if that's your taste. An excellent seating area with the space for a big TV. But the beautiful part is these huge windows that face the ocean. That is absolutely gorgeous. There's a little patch of land outside and a really big terrace that you can sit on. The view is quite nice. You do see ocean, and the location here is amazing because you are so close to so many restaurants. Walkability here is huge. So let's head down into the bedrooms.
Like Monique said, this place has 4 bedrooms and they each have their own bathroom. They're very well made, very solid. The floors are really nice hardwood, but each has, for example, this one has its own walk-in shower with a seating area in the shower. Very modern fixtures. This one faces out to kind of a floral stone wall. The construction of this building is really nice. I mean, if you're having company over, family over, everybody has their own room. This one is pretty much the same as the one we were just in, except it has a bathtub and a shower. This isn't even the master suite, but it's done even a little bit even higher fixtures with a beautiful walk-in shower that you can see right through into the bedroom. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom here. This room has its own private balcony as well, around the corner from the main one, with an ocean view and all the palms and flowers. And of course it has its own walk-in shower as well. It's pretty much the same as the first one we were in. What's different about the properties here, even this one at this price point, it's somebody who left the island, who decided to sell. I think it was a young person, a crypto person. And so it's not staged. The furniture comes with it. All right, so this particular unit also comes with a massive private garage with an overhead door. It's big enough you could probably fit about 4 or 5 cars in here, or 1 car or 2 car, and have a big shop, a private workshop as well. This is a great space, a great addition to this unit. It's a really nice garage.
All right, so a quick overview of what we've just shown you. Location, huge pro. Walkability, amazing. So that would definitely get our vote. We also like the space in here. We love the walk-off, even that you can lock off or close the door here and have the dining room, living room separate, and the rooms are all on one side. We love that idea. Love that our guests could have their own washroom. Love that idea too. But overall, it's a really beautiful property. The location's great, and the building construction looks really solid. So for in the 900,000s for a huge space in an amazing area in Funchal with 5 bathrooms, 4 huge bedrooms, I think that you're getting value for money here. What you would need to do is really think through the decor, and you'd really have to think through upgrading some of the painting and the furnishings, like the lamps or the wallpaper. We really enjoyed that 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom, beautiful apartment tour. When we look at different places, it's always neat to look and see what you can bring back and incorporate in your own home. And definitely what I saw there was I love the richness of the materials. When you see a lot of the faux marble and the stone, and even outside how there was so much natural stone, those are some things that we would like to bring into our home here, even in just a small way. And also the idea of having a bathroom in every bedroom. I thought that was a really neat idea.
I love that.
And I know we can't do that here, but you can maybe kind of make it feel like that. And maybe one day in another home sometime, we would have that.
We love our home. It's the right size for us. Could I be persuaded to move into a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom in the heart of Funchal? Maybe, but not anytime soon. In future videos, we're going to continue to show you apartments and homes as they become available at different price points. Right now, the prices, as you may know, on Madeira are trending upwards. There's a lot of talk about a bubble in the Portuguese housing market, but we are definitely not seeing that here on Madeira.
We're going to be heading all over the island to show you different homes and apartments at different price points. Funchal is beautiful, and you know that we love Funchal, but there's also many other really great locations on the island of Madeira.
So stay tuned for that because there's more to come. And as always, check back in and
track us down.